What's up?
Y'all, it's been a minute.
1, 2, 3. What's up, JK fam? It's your girl Kat.
It's your girl Jazz. We back at it again with another banger video.
Are we saying banger video now?
I said banger, what you say?
Video. I think we gotta redo this whole thing once again. Ready? What's up, JK fam? It's your girl Kat.
It's your girl Jazz, and we back at it again with a banger video. How the fuck did I say banger? Video.
You know what?
Okay.
Kat. What's up, JK fam? It's your girl Kat.
It's your girl Jazz, and we back at it again with another banger video.
Dang, so much energy. If you're new to the channel, you have not subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Don't forget to turn on your notification bell so you can get notified on all our future videos, and drop your comments down below. Leave us a like if you end up liking this video. Alright?
Y'all, today we are having a fabulous vegan meal. We having some waffle fries. We also having us a chickenless patty, vegan, right there. And we got stuff already laid out. We got the, you know what I'm saying, the patties right here. We got the oil already cooking, so we just about to just pour these things in here. Back up. I don't want to set your titties on fire. Oh!
Just like the outsiders be saying. Oh my god.
Fire!
Alright, well, she didn't season none of this. I don't know what you doing over here.
She got it, y'all.
I mean, for real. Seriously, okay? So, first thing up, we got the adobo for the, like, chicken thing, okay?
Adobo! Fire! What else we got in there?
We got black pepper.
What else we got in there?
Chili lime.
What else we got in there, though?
Leave it alone.
We got that lemon pepper. Lemon pepper, my wings.
And then we have Himalaya salt. I think that's all we really
Himalaya salt. So what we've been doing is we're gonna sprinkle a little razzle dazzle on here.
Razzle dazzle. I think there was one that's already open.
Yeah, it's one because I used it today.
Listen, we cooking this right. Oh, thanks. We cooking over here.
Yeah, sprinkle
Sprinkle some over here.
Y'all thought we was missing on it, y'all. We not. I got y'all right here. So y'all can see the French fries with the little sprinkle. Mama.
Damn, you okay? I like to put just salt and pepper on my fries. I don't like to put all that nonsense that's not needed.
Yo, y'all seen that dude? What's his name? Hey, Emerald. He used to go like, BAM! Yo,
I've never seen that in my life.
I guess you gotta see it to be though. See it for it to be funny.
Anyway.
Then we got the patties over here. Boom.
So hold on, you didn't even put no oil on these patties. Like, what is you doing, girl?
I did spray oil. I put the pan oil on here.
Oh, okay.
You need more?
Well, go ahead and sprinkle some adobo in here. Adobo. Okay. Then
what else are we doing?
We're doing some lemon pepper.
Chill, we got lemon pepper chicken. We ain't missing out either. We ain't missing out either.
Alright.
Yes.
You just put a little dab on there of salt.
Oh, that's right.
A little bit of pepper in
Put
here.
some of that black pepper on that mug. It ain't right if it ain't no black. You know what I'm talking about?
What?
Yeah.
And then you got some chili lime. Now this I just want to sprinkle.
Yeah, because we don't want too much of that, y'all.
Alright, and boom.
Can't say no love. This camera's dead. Officially dead now.
Alright, well, you see majority of it. Everything else we're going to just put together. and show you guys. I just wanted to spend some time cooking here and actually talking to y'all. You know, because we've been missing in action. You gotta fix these fries. What you doing?
Oh, I gotta flip them. Hold on.
What? That's not a flipping material, sweetheart.
What is the flipping material?
The one that's like a spatula.
Oh, the flipper.
I mean, really.
Yo, I don't know about you, but don't we need more fries in this?
There's a whole bag. You gonna have to set these on a napkin.
Think that we don't have
Because
that.
this is just for me. And then that's just for you, the rest.
Okay.
Anyway. So yeah, so we've been missing in action, but we're back and we're better. And I highly believe this time we're definitely gonna be super consistent. We love YouTube. Like, whether we're going through a struggle or like we're fighting or something like that, like YouTube just puts us together again. And I think that that was the main reason why before we used to do it so much. Like, and then we stopped because we had life issues, but I ain't gonna let life stop me anymore. Like, I realized that even if something happens to us, I'm just gonna vlog whatever happens during the time.
No, whatever, we just gonna throw it up because y'all like family, y'all. Y'all was with us since like day one. And shout out to all the new subscribers that we didn't have a chance to say that yet. So shout out to y'all as well. We on the road to 1K. So once we're on the road to 1K, I know y'all like gifts and stuff. So we will be doing giveaways. Like, once those numbers keep running up, we definitely gonna be doing giveaways.
Heck yeah. And we got some cool fire stuff. Yeah.
Stuff. It's gonna start with money first, and then it's gonna get into like you know, like game system, like stuff, like actual gifts. So
help us get there, and you can be one of the winners. You know what I'm saying?
We're trying to get our name on one of those YouTube plat, like. Can't forget the T.
You can't forget the T. Okay.
Doesn't that look sexy? Just like visualize it.
Yes.
Yeah.
And yet also, like, it's really hard when you pretty much like have a job and then you have to do this as well. You want to grind. But what I realized and what Jazz actually had mentioned is you gonna dedicate like 8 hours at a job to pretty much help somebody else's dream, but you can't support your own dream. Like, I don't even care no more if it's like 2 a.m. at night and we're still editing videos 3 a.m. At the end of the day, like, I'm not gonna stop.
It all pays off. Like, we get rewarded for that. Like, it all pays off.
Putting a video up for you guys is rewarding to us. Like, actually seeing that this bond that we're creating, like, is helping us. Like, when we do videos, we're more happier. We're like more engaged. We like doing this stuff. So we found a hobby that we actually like together. And actually, remember the first time that we actually, I brought up the idea and you were like, what? You want to do YouTube? Like, she hella was like, what is you talking about?
Who's gonna sit and talk in front of a camera all day?
And I was like, girl, I mean, I've been wanting to do it forever. I always wanted to be in YouTube, but I just never executed. And that's my problem, that majority of the time I have great ideas, but I can't execute none of them. Or I don't stay consistent. So yeah, and we're gonna start going live every Saturday. I think that Saturdays.
Yeah, Saturday.
Maybe in the evening time, and probably not in the morning because we're probably gonna be shooting all day. So maybe in the evening.
Like nighttime, like, you know.
And I don't know if y'all like, you know, what do y'all like doing on live? Like playing games, you know.
We can definitely play games, and losers have to take shots.
Shot.
Have to take shots.
Man, these fries taking forever. You know, I remember when you're hungry and you're like, okay, can this hurry up?
It look like nothing changed, no color now.
Okay. But yeah, so our energy is very vibrant today. I feel good today. Like, it's been 3 4 hard days almost of the gym consistently. I'm back on our grind. Like, we feel a lot better now. Before we were just pouting, complaining, fighting, like stupid. And as you get older, you start maturing, because it's just you realize that what you're doing is just petty and like dumb, you know? Especially me. I'm very very petty. So, is there something you gotta say?
Say anything.
Oh, okay. But yeah, we're also super excited about, she barking over here. I don't know what she's doing. We're also very excited because our niece is on the way. We're about to have a niece. I'm excited about that. I don't know about you, but I'm excited about kids. I love freaking.
She loves kids, guys.
I love children. Alright guys, so I'm gonna make my little sauce that I like to make. So first we're gonna start with the veganese. I don't like to put so much veganese. So, because majority of it is ketchup based. Boom. Boom. I put some Valentina in here. Ooh, y'all just don't know. Okay. And then I get me some relish. And then you start mixing it. Ooh, yeah. Boom. Alright guys, so we are all done here. We have our fries, our chicken, patty things, our avocado, and our sauces. Yeah.